Good morning. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a pretty much just shop with me. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Martine Chiella. I make videos surrounding motherhood lifestyle as well as my faith. Haven't really posted a lot about my faith yet. However, we'll be getting to that. There's definitely a lot of things to share there. But in this video, from the title that you see there, is pretty much just shop. We are looking to just kind of refurnish, repick things for the home. And so we've already picked the cabinets for the kitchen as well as the countertop. But today we are going to the contractor to just make our selection for the flooring. So that's why I'm taking you guys along. And any other shopping, I'm more likely going to be just combining this video vlog together, so I make like one big batch of like major choices for the home. Okay, so there's going to be a lot more videos, just kind of give you guys updates on what's going on. And yeah, so come along today. See ya. Okay, so I did mention to you guys that I've already picked out the knobs in the cabinet, but I just forgot to insert the clips for that, so I can show you guys pretty much what I picked for that before I take you guys over to the next contractor who was going to be dealing with my floor. So it was this is pretty much my first time kind of going through this process of picking things for the home. A lot of times when we see the finished product and we appreciate the finished product, we want to purchase a home. It's nice. That process is easy because somebody's already put all the options together. But when you have to pick it yourself for the first time, it's nice, but it's also a little bit difficult if you don't know which pieces to pair up with what, right? So I had to really scale back a bit, and also you have to be working within your budget. So I didn't have like an elaborate budget to work with and all that. As much as everything looked great, it tends to get overwhelming pretty quickly. So I went back to the aesthetic that I want to see overall throughout the home. So I wanted to see a little bit more of the neutral and the lighter color, simply because my space is a little bit more smaller. So I stuck to neutrals that are more into the beige family, earth tones and light white colors, so that to give that airy and spacious vibe in my space. Okay, so now that we've picked out most of the major stuff and the look that I'm going for, I'm just going to take you into the home. And this is pretty much the walkthrough. I did not show you guys the clip before when they were just kind of like gutting out everything and everything like that, or the damage. But this is a couple of steps ahead where, they've already done the dry walls and everything is looking good, right? So there aren't any doors or cabinets in yet. But as you can see, all the drywalling is done. The floor hasn't been completed yet, but as I'm filming this right now, the floor is completed and the paint option, the color that I chose for the wall, is in. There's a few changes, upgrades that I did end up adding while they were doing these changes. I added pot lights on that side of the living room right there. And there's a bay window in the living room here, which was not in the empty house tour. So we added that as well. I'm going to be adding a door here to close off the laundry. And this is the bedroom downstairs in the basement. So the drywall went up as well. The floor, like I said, hasn't been done yet, but as I'm filming this right now, that is completed. So hopefully I can show you guys that video once it's done. Storage, everything's been cleared out as well. The drywall has gone up. Honestly, guys, this was like a serious damage to the home. It took a lot, and it was a huge up and down roller coaster of emotions. But I'm so glad that things are just picking up and they're going smoothly. And at the end of the day, we're actually gonna have a brand new interior home, and this is gonna be bringing more value to our space, which is amazing. In the grand scheme of things, you're not really thinking like that. You're just thinking of a loss. You're thinking about everything that you have gone through, but trusting the process, praying about it, see how God works out things. At the end of the day, we're pretty much technically getting a brand new home. So this is the bathroom. All this is going to be changed out. There's going to be a new tiling in the bathroom. The ones downstairs in the main floor, that color is not going to be changing. But as you can see, my old wall color was more in the gray family, and so all this is going to be changed. I pick out a new color, and the new contractor is going to be working with me just to get the custom closet that I had done last year to redo them again. So yes, when we moved in, the cabinets were not done, and we ended up doing a little upgrade. We did like customized closets both in my daughter's room as well as the master bedroom, which is this room. We did a couple of changes. We did fix the windows all throughout. So we changed all the windows the same time that we added the big window in the main floor. And yeah, all this happened. It was like, oh my goodness. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys all in the next video. And I will give you more update as we continue to progress on this journey. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.